Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to do a declutter and organization of my beauty drawers. So it's kind of like a beauty organization overall. I have makeup, I have skincare. I have such a mess in these drawers right here, and I wanted to take you guys along with it just so you guys can see me kind of organize and how I organize, because I myself have recently been on Pinterest as my big thing, and then also YouTube videos. I'm trying to see how I can organize. I don't necessarily want to go to the store to buy more organizational bins, but I do have some that I think I can kind of replenish and rearrange. So I'm gonna see what I come up with today. So this is kind of like, it's gonna go more towards organization, but I'm also gonna like show you guys some of the products I have and what my favorites are that I'm using at the moment. I'm just in like a lounge t-shirt or like one of those varsity tees because I've just been at home today. I've been working on a lot of stuff on the computer. I do have some errands to run, so I kind of wanted to put myself together for this video, but let's go ahead and get started. So I wanted to do it a little bit of a vlog style. I know I'm missing a drawer. We're gonna redo them anyway, so that's okay. I still have the drawer, but they're older. But I just wanted to do a little walkthrough real quickly and just show you the chaotic mess I have in here. I did go ahead and rearrange this not too long ago, but clearly it has taken me over, and I mean, look at that mess. I don't know why these like weird lines are showing up on the wall. They're not there in real life, so I'm not sure what's going on. But yeah, it's just an absolute mess. And then down here, I do have my hair care products that are, I can't even get the drawer out, you guys. It's obnoxious. I think we're gonna go ahead and get started with this section right here. This is all of my skincare. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. Put you guys on a little sound so I can take everything out. Okay, so everything is cleared out of the drawer except these two facial sprays. I just think I'm gonna keep them right here. And then I have everything on the counter. I'm watching a YouTube video while I take everything out. But I just wanted to show you guys that I do have my moisturizer. This is actually supposed to go over here. I do have all of my moisturizers, then I have all of my makeup removers. I have one sheet mask that I have more sheet masks I'm gonna put somewhere else. I have my lip cares, I have my facial washes, my nail polish. This is just random stuff. Extra beauty blenders, some bio oil, some deodorants, and toothpaste. And then over here I have these travel size. I just got these because I thought we were going to go on vacation, but I don't think we're going to go anymore. Just some cotton rounds, some Benadryl because mosquitoes, and then some other more cotton rounds. I have these Dr. Dennis Gross facial peel pads. I have some sun care products. I have some tools, and then these are all my masks and eye care. And then this is just the toner I use and these little facial oils. I think like with all these minis, I'm gonna try to put as much as I can. I'm gonna try to manage to get all of the sample sizes and mini sizes, I'm breaking out over, into a specific bag. I have a lot of them, but the bag is overflowing, so I'm not able to, but I'm gonna try to make it work. Okay, so this is what I have come up with. I kind of just rearranged things. I know it still doesn't look the best, aesthetic wise, but for me this is what works the best. So I kind of like did all this stuff down here in kind of the order that I would besides these two. These I just always lay on top of wherever, but I do have my makeup removers and towelettes, and then I have an extra facial wash. I have my toner, I have my peel pads, I have all my moisturizers, my lip care, my eye care. I keep my cotton rounds and pads right here. These are all of my go-to masks. Back there is sun care and facial sprays. These are nail polishes, and then the tools are right there, and in the very back it's just like extra deodorant and things. And because I have room right here, I'm just gonna put my Benadryl for mosquito bites and ant bites for me and my son, and then right here I'm gonna put my toothpaste, and that's it for that drawer. Next, I think I'm going to tackle this. I am so scared too. It's just like there's just things thrown around it everywhere in here. It's a mess. And honestly, it all needs to be redone and re-put in these bins. So let's get to that.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. You were on fire when I met you, born with a longing for the open road. You had a hunger burning in your heart, enough to tear the world apart. We were like outlaws on the west coast, leaving our footprints in the wet sand. Now our love is more like a remedy, and our world is a forgotten land. 'Cause I can see the fire in your eyes, burning like a hurricane blowing through the falling rain. I feel the rising of the tide. I will let this fire burning through the hurricane. One day with our troubles far behind us, we will look back at all we've been through. But baby, this love that we've been running on, it's not a love we should.
Okay guys, so I got most of this cleared out. Back here are just my Mario Badescu facial sprays. I always just keep them back there because it's the easiest. And then I do have a makeup brush cleaner. These are just two pairs of lashes. And then these are my facial palettes. These are like stuck right here, and I don't want to take them out because I'm worried it's not going to go back in. But these are all my highlighters. I kind of did them off camera, and then we will go in and put the rest of the stuff in. So I think I'm going to take, I'm going to try to put them in order that I would kind of do my makeup. This is so hard to do with one hand. So right now, I just put in the bronzers. I had them sideways, but I wanted to stack them this way to see how it would look. Bronzers, blushes, and highlighters. And then here is my facial powders. I don't know how this is going to fit in here. I might have to take this one out. Try to put this, if you're not sure, these are all my foundations, my primers, my primer setting, or my primer and setting sprays, and then all of my concealers. Let's see if this will fit. I might have to set the camera down. Let's see if we can get this to fit. I'm really not thinking it's gonna fit. I might have to like take that out, or maybe just take all of this out. I think I fixed it. Okay, so what we have, I managed to put my bigger bin back here, and then we have these. These won't stay up, so I'm kind of like, I don't know about it. And then I guess I can put this right here. I don't know if one more would fit. See, I don't know how I like that. I might have to take this out and just do that. Okay, so that fit. All of these fit except this one. So we might be just double stacking here, but I think this is looking great. I have this done, all of these reorganized. So this is all of my mascaras, this is all of my eyebrow products, plus I have like 2 liquid eyeliners and some eyebrow tools. This is all my bronzers, all of my blushes, all of my highlighters. Back here, like I said, facial palettes, some lashes, overflow powders, and then facial sprays way back there. So I think these 2 drawers look lovely. This one, I have no idea how I'm gonna tackle this. It's kind of already halfway done. I know this video is kind of a blah, but that lower part needed to be done, and I really wanted to show you guys. But these back here are all of my eye palettes. This is just some extra lipsticks and extra brushes. This is a pad. Sorry if you can hear my toilet running. This is like a pad to wash your makeup brushes on. So I think I'm just going to throw all my headbands. This is an extra Elemis facial cloth. I'm gonna throw all these in here. I have the makeup eraser as well. These are a tag. This is a hair mist, I think. Beach mist. Oh, I don't know. This is after sun spray, but we're gonna just throw it in kind of like the dud bin for now. These are all my Dirty Beauty blenders. I kind of wait till I kind of dirty all of them and then go in and wash them. These are all of my scrunchies. I get all my scrunchies from Ulta. More headbands, they can just go right there. This is just an overflow of kind of like beauty, like more skincare than anything, like overflow tanning mitts. This is another bag I got from the skin store as a gift, and then this was also a gift. All of these miniature travel size. This is also from the skin store. The skin store is absolutely great. An extra loofah, you know, stuff like that. This was a gift from Ulta, and this is all filled with lipsticks. If I can get this open with one hand, like you guys, it's just absolutely covered in lipsticks, from Marc Jacobs to Kylie Cosmetics to Nude Sticks to Anastasia Beverly Hills to NARS. Everything is in here that you could find. I can't close it with one hand, but that's okay. And then up here are just a little tray with more. And then we have an overflow. This is like my pharmacy. So it's got all my sun care and then all of like whatever medicines you can find, along with a box of tissues. These need to go down here. These are like shower bombs from Lush, so I'm just gonna check them in there. But yeah, just kind of tidying it up a little bit. These normally, like this tray normally isn't here, but I just put it there because I recently got like 6 or 7 beauty blenders, and so it's going right there until I can clean them all. But you guys, I think that's it for today's video. I hope it was fun for you guys. If you have a comment, always leave it down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
You were on fire when I met you, born with a longing for the open road. You had a hunger burning in your heart, enough to tell the world.